Hello, it's Crafty Ria. I am so glad you are joining me today. I will be working with some of this washi tape that I received from Craspire.com. I will put all of the links to everything in the description box below. They sent me some items and asked me if I would make some videos, and of course I am always happy to do that. So we have these smaller washi tape rolls, and then we have these really big washi tape rolls. And I'm going to start with the big ones, and I'm going to make 3 card bases with them. Here are the ones I have, and I will start with just one of them. I took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock, and I just cut it into quarters, and I thought they would be great to just line with this, and then I can use it as a card base. I'm going to take these pieces of washi tape off of the edge and just unwrap the roll of washi tape. It comes wrapped in protective plastic. So here is what this roll looks like, and let me go ahead and get it started. So I'm just carefully peeling it up once I find the edge, and I will peel it up across the whole roll and then just carefully unroll it. This way you can get a good idea of the print on this washi tape. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stick it down on my cardstock. And I'll use my finger blade and just trim down the edge here. And then I'll wrap that back around and use that again on another project. So you can see just by placing it onto a piece of cardstock, you get a really nice background. You can take it and wrap it around the back. And then you have a nice clean edge. And I'm going to go ahead and trim this down so it's a little smaller than my card base. I will peel those excess pieces off of the back, and then you have a perfectly clean edge. And then I will trim off a little bit off of this edge just so it lines up on all 4 sides of the card. There you go, and you have a really nice card base. I will do that with the other 2 tapes, and I'll be right back. So now I have 3 card backgrounds made with the washi tape. And I have 3 card bases. These are standard A2 size card bases that measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I'm going to take these and adhere them down to the card bases. So I have those 3 cards. You can leave them alone and they would make really cute note cards just the way they are. But I have some stickers in my stash that I thought I would use on them. This one here that has the old ads on it. I thought these vintage bottles would look really cute. These are from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to set one like right there, and they are sort of see-through, so you kind of have to be careful where you place them. I'm going to take a second one and just set it right there. And I will leave that card alone so it has a little bit of an embellishment on it. It would be a great get well card or really any kind of a card. It says Haunted Mansion up here, so maybe even around Halloween time. Then I have these other beautiful butterfly stickers. These are also from the Dollar Tree. And on this one here, it has this beautiful butterfly and a lot of these beautiful flowers. And I thought I'm just going to stick one of them right there. And I think that really looks great. And then on this one here, I have a little more open space. I'm going to take two of these butterflies and just kind of stick them there as if they're flying on the card. There we go. Super easy, super fast note cards using really wide washi tape as your card base. I have these smaller rolls of washi tape, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this little journal and make it a little travel journal. The front of the journal is a piece of green like plastic, so that's going to work really well. I'm going to take a piece of this tape and just line it up with the bottom. I'm going to leave maybe a tiny bit of green showing. And then I'm going to take my finger blade and just give it a rough trim right there. And then I'm going to carefully, I'm going to turn it over and trim off that excess using the side of the notebook as a guide. Then I'm going to take another piece of the washi tape and put it up around the top. I'm going to try to line it up as best I can with the very top of the book. Trim that off, get it out of the way, and then I have a little more wiggle room here to try and get the top piece very straight. And then I'll do the same thing over here and take off that excess. Then we have this washi tape that has these little tickets that I thought would be cute right down the middle. They have like admit one and everything, and I thought that would be really cute. And I will just run this one right down the middle. And do the same thing And then I have these cute little embellishments, and I will put one on the front. And I think I'm going to go with the little Life is Good. And I'm just going to put that right down there. So there we have a little mini travel journal just to give you an idea of what you can do with some of the bigger pieces of washi tape. So we have a travel journal. This is great to keep in your car if you have to track your mileage for work or something like that, or to take on a trip with you to jot down some notes. And then we have these 3 note cards. I hope you enjoyed these projects from Craspire.com. I have a coupon code Maria5, which is MARIA and the number 5. It will give you $5 off of 40. They also offer free worldwide shipping on any order over $50. I will put all of the links to these products in the description box below so you can go check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and that way YouTube will suggest more videos that you might like. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.